Subscribe here for more educational videos. Ring bell to be first viewer of new uploads. Click thumb icon if you like this video to encourage us. ITOYS presents.
Hello kids, we will hear a fairy tale today, named The Frog Prince. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess. She had a golden ball. One day, she was playing in the garden with a ball. Suddenly, the ball fell into the well. She got sad and sat near the pond. The princess started crying. Suddenly, an ugly frog hopped out of the pond.
Why are you crying, princess?
She looked up at the frog and told it about her golden ball.
I can help you to get your ball. What will you give me in return?
I will give you whatever you want.
The frog immediately dived into the well to fetch the ball.
For more information, visit our website.
In a few seconds, the frog was out with her ball. The princess smiled on seeing her ball. Then she went back to the palace. That night, the princess was having dinner when she heard a voice, tap tap, at the door. It was the frog. It reminded her of the promise she had made in return of the ball. The princess opened the door.
What do you want?
I want to be your friend and eat from your plate.
The princess hated the idea, but she agreed. The frog sat on the dining table and ate from her plate. The next morning, the frog left the palace. The princess was going for sleep at night.
I want to sleep with you in your bed.
The princess had no choice and let the frog sleep in her bed. She picked the frog and took it to her room. Then she let her sleep on her pillow on her bed. In the morning, the frog asked her to kiss him. The princess didn't want to kiss the nasty frog, but had to because of her promise. Then she kissed the frog. Suddenly, a handsome prince appeared before her, gazing at her with love.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
I had actually been under the spell of a wicked witch. I had been abide till a young princess helped me out.
Hearing this, the princess fell in love with the prince. They got married and lived happily ever after.